sunshine and family time, and today we're going to check on the wait times and see if they are accurate to the actual wait time.
Big Thunder. You want to try that?
Okay.
Daddy,
We're switching directions. But we just got in line for Pirates of the Caribbean. The wait times, the posted wait time said 30-minute wait. We got in literally 2 minutes later. We were sitting on the ride. So that was pretty awesome surprise right there. And it took the whole 2 minutes just to walk through the queue. So we are going to ride some more rides tonight and see if the posted times are different than the actual times. Because we're kind of thinking that they're pushing up the wait times a little bit just because of Genie Plus, maybe? I don't know. So join us today and don't forget to hit the like button for this video and subscribe for more upcoming videos. Today we are at Magic Kingdom. We just walked back here towards Big Thunder Mountain to check on that one. So the posted time right there says 60-minute wait, and there was a lot of people we could see in line. So I think we might pass that one up for tonight. And we're gonna head on over to the other side of the park actually. The kids are really excited about riding Space Mountain. So we're gonna go over there and try to ride that one hopefully. We're at Pecos Bills and here is the menu. All right, this is our spread of food that we got at Pecos Bills. So we have the chicken tacos, the pork tacos. We got some lettuce and tomato fixins, mac and cheese, a cheeseburger, apples, and oranges. It looks super good. It's almost 8 o'clock, so everybody should be lining up, fighting their seats to watch the fireworks. So hopefully, as everybody else is watching the fireworks show, the lines will hopefully go down. So we have our fingers crossed so we can ride some more things tonight. Peter Pan. It says a 45-minute wait. Woohoo! We're in Peter Pan line, and it's like we're inside the house. So here's a map of Neverland.
Some still on your thumb.
Do you think it looks like Ariel? This is so cute. This queue for Peter Pan. So there's Mr. and Mrs. Darling. He's looking for his cufflinks, which is the buried treasure. There's our dog. And now it's like we're in the front entryway of their house, and it has the pictures of the 3 kids. So cute. And then up here, Mr. and Mrs. Darling. Is this the door that Peter comes through? And then here is the bedroom. So this is one of the boys' beds. You can see their swords on the beds and ball. They had the this is up for the pirate ship. So cute. The buried treasure. So many cute things in here. They have a rocking horse. Here is Nana's house. And she's got milk in her bowl. So that's so cute. It says Peter Pan in blocks. Isn't that cute? It's got a teddy bear and all kinds of blocks. So neat. There's a suitcase and all kinds of hat boxes on top of their bed over here. Yes, this must be Wendy's bed. Yeah, and over here, it's dark in here, but it's a picture of Peter Pan's shadow. I don't know if I'm going to be able to see it. It's too dark. Oh, over here you can see a picture of his shadow. So Brandon told me that he's been in this line before, that Tinkerbell was flying around the bedroom, and that would have been really neat to see, but it wasn't going on today. So hopefully we're almost through the end of the line though. We made it on in 28 minutes. And off we go! Oh, I feel like we're going fast. It's just like E.T., isn't it? Oh, wow. Yes. Oh, goodness. Isn't that so beautiful? Oh, it's oh, the Lost Boys. They are so beautiful. It does look like Ariel. Princess Water Lily. Oh no, the alligator! It's me, I'm Captain Hook!
Help me! Please do not lift up on your safety belt. If you lift on the left, exit to your right onto the main belt and watch your step.
So those loud booms are the fireworks going off right now, so it must be 8 o'clock. Yeah, we're gonna try to ride Space Mountain. Alright, but it's loud to hear me, but when we got on the ride, it said a 45-minute wait for Peter Pan. And then at about 10 minutes in the queue, we checked again and it went up to an hour, 60 minutes for Peter Pan. Our total wait was 28 minutes. That's pretty amazing. So it really seems to us so far that they really are making the line queues longer than what they really are. But that's just our experience for today. Alright, so now we decided, since we had just a wonderful short time to ride Peter Pan when the posted time was extremely long, we decided to go ahead and try Dwarf Mine Train, because it also set a 60-minute wait. But so far, we're just walking on in. Fireworks are still going off, so we're hoping that most people are stopped there watching the fireworks show. So we'll tell you what we actually wait for this ride. We're about to get on Dwarf Mine Train right now, so we're next in line. We were in line 13 minutes, and right now it says a 90-minute wait on the posted wait times. Alright, so we just got off of the Dwarf Mine Train, and it was fabulous. 13-minute wait. When we got in line, it said 60, and then the fireworks ended, so it bumped up to 90. But we only waited in line for 13 minutes before we sat down. So that was a really amazing wait time for us. But I think we honestly just got there at the right time, right before fireworks were over. So now we're walking over here is Gaston's Tavern. But we're just gonna keep walking along. We're going up here up on Ariel's Grotto, so we'll see how long the wait times for that says as well. But so far we're having a really amazing day here, amazing night at Magic Kingdom. Alright, it says a 20-minute wait for Ariel's Grotto. It says 20 minutes. We're on Ariel's Grotto right now. We're stopping. Oh, up there's Ariel. The wait time said 20 minutes, but we waited 5.5 minutes to get on this ride. So far, we're having a really great time here, with the actual wait times being shorter than the posted wait times.
And you don't know why she died to try to wanna kiss the girl.
We're stuck at the very end. Five-minute wait. So we just got on Barnstormer. It was a 5-minute wait, and it was true to its word. It really was 5 minutes. So we are off now, and we're gonna go ride Space Mountain. So let's go see what the wait time is over there. I finally got a Mickey Premium Bar. I'm so excited. I haven't had one of these in so long. So excited. Ready? Oh! It's so good. We just got off of Space Mountain. It was a posted 20-minute wait time, and that is exactly how much we waited in line. It looked a lot longer when we got inside, but it really was just a 20-minute wait. So we had fun on that ride. I love that ride. So now the park is closed, so we're gonna head on out. Thank you so much for watching today as we walked around Magic Kingdom and saw how long the posted wait times were compared to what we actually waited tonight. So thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more upcoming videos. Thanks for watching. And now it's your favorite time. Bye!